Hi friends, good evening. Maybe this is one of the coolest topic to be discussed, and that's the reason when I'm in a cool look, maybe the horrible look. You can comment me whatever it is. So the reason behind this topic is because pressure. We people have a lot of pressure, especially middle class and lower class people. Rich people move apart. Famous people move apart. The general people. Pressure starts from school, college, after getting a job, and after getting a job, if a job is not good or if there is no proper salary, you get pressure. After getting a marriage, you get pressure. After getting a child, you get pressure. After making a child to school, colleges, and again pressure continues. And people just obtain pressure like by obtaining loans, EMI, and life is just like that. Life is just as it's moving with all those things. And when people are gonna realize the real life, I don't know, because when life is ending and when people are not realize that they didn't enjoy their life, then what the hell of all this EMI, loan, etc. Everything there is a limit, but people just start doing all these things and people end up with suicide, etc. 90% of people, they just survive these situations and they just come up in life. But remaining 10% of people, if you see all the 10th standard and 12th standard students, if they are not passing their exam, they just committing a suicide. And if you see any love breakups, there you can see a lot of things like suicide, or just they just go with drugs or all those drinks, etc. I don't know why people just do it. Pressure. People are not there to talk. There are not right people in their life, and that's the reason behind all these happenings. And of course, our parents, when they are not able to do their daughter's marriage, or there is a lot of bribe in all this government sectors, and all those debts makes them to pressure, lot of pressure. And people just think that suicide is the only solution. People are not understanding that after you, the family must be into lot of pressure. People are not understanding that, and a lot of people are committing that mistake. And 80% of those mistakes, the responsibility is us, and 20% is responsible of your friends, etc. Because if you have your good friends, and if they are really worthful, they can help you. All this moment is like just humanity, right? Rich people are getting richer, but they are not helping. All these rich people, if they think they can finish at least 50% of all this middle class or poor families problems, but people don't think. And people just go behind all these political parties, etc. I don't know when this country would develop, but pressure is being developed, each and every part. It may be an interview, it may be after a job, or if you're getting anything, pressure involved. And life is really a circle. So in this life, we just meet a lot of people unexpectedly, and there are people who just be with us and they just don't analyze our value. And people just who just you meet in strange way, they would be the best. Like that, many things, it's like a circus, it's like a jumbo circus. Some people would be at top in the small age, some people would be top at the last stage. Life has to move on, because this pressure thing is built up in this middle class and lower class family, because the situation is in our country, we have to suffer like this. Because you know if a good leader thinks all these things can be avoided, but no one would think our problem is our problem, no one would come to help you. So it's far better that you can have that patience. you know a life is something which is unimaginable for many other persons. You can have your all those persons who are meeting an accident, they just lose their legs, they just lose their eyesight. Some people would be in bed with the last stage. Think about them. When you think about them, you can think that your life is little much better. I have such pressure in my life, and I never think about going for all those negative quality like drinking or drugs or all those things. I mean, I'm now 27. I know about life pressure, etc. Maybe there are a lot to learn in my life, but I know I can sustain solo, because there are friends and a lot of people who just go with all those drinks and all those drugs, all these things, etc. Because they are drawn and brought up just like that. All this friend circle, etc. I didn't need all these things to erase my pressure. I just made out my positiveness in me and just followed it, and that's the reason when I'm before you so cool. Because like all of you, I have every pressure whatever I have said before you. It's the pressure of even me. I have total pressure in my life. I just think that life has to move on with what it is, what it deserves, it would reach us. And people must realize it, or else, all the suicide, etc., is not a solution. So many people are thinking about suicide, it's not a solution, friends. And you must be a supporter to all those friends who just lose their confidence. Okay, so the problems like all these debts, love breakups, and all those attitude doing people, just you have to take care of them. You not avoid them. There are friends for certain people, there are no friends for certain people. So you have to understand your friends. It's not that if you're being rich, that's it. Try to make yourself and your surrounding friends happy, so that you would be a wonderful person. I don't know how many people would listen all these things. And I just thought to do a video because it's really felt, because many people are into a pressure, especially in this COVID period. you know Rich persons can overcome everything, but middle class and all those people, it's just a luck. Only a luck survives everything. It's all about all those middle class people, which includes even me. So let's see how this world changes, or this India changes. I don't know our leaders would change, or our country would change, but the sufferings and pains would continue. It's far better that in order to build up all your positivity and all your patience back, so that you can overcome all the situations solo. So there is a lot to go, and life is just unpredicted. So I just thought to do this topic because people just need to analyze your mistakes and your situations and come back strongly in your life. Okay. So with that thought, I'm in this video. Maybe this video, maybe not an information topic, but it's time for you all to think about life so seriously that you can help your friends. Okay. So take care. Have a nice day.